Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Leos. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, from this deck for your general energy. So these cards will relate to your work situation and your relationship, Leos, and we'll be picking few cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck for your relationship and for your work situation. So, and one card from the Angel Guidance deck that we'll read at last, guys. So, this is the card for your work situation, and this is the card for your relationship, guys, and this is the Angel's Guidance card. So we'll open the cards for our daily reading, Leos. Five of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Four of Pentacles. Leos, with these cards, I see here that you are a person who controls your situation. You want to stay in control and you exercise certain authority over some people whom you are with, and you are a person who does things in a rigid way, in a particular way, and you do not want to change. You go in that particular way in your mundane activities, maybe, or in your work. You have a particular way of doing things and you do it in that particular way, come what may. You are not the one to change. That is what I see here with this card. And maybe for some of you may have some minor illness, something affecting you, maybe stressing you a little because of the sickness, guys. And also I see here that this outlook of you, that working in a particular way, having rigid ideas and method to do a particular thing may become a weakness, guys, for you. So you are averse to change, you do not want to change, so that may be affecting you. And for some of you, I see here that you just want to run away from your daily duties, whatever it is, maybe in your work situation or in this relationship. You just want to stay away, uh, take a break, maybe for some of you all. So these overwhelming desires, whatever you have in your day-to-day life, not desires, overwhelming actions, work, whatever it is simply driving you crazy, guys. So you just want to take a break today and run away from all these responsibilities, and maybe you want to a lot devote yourself to some time. You want to um, identify your life's purpose. You want to take up some spiritual practices, maybe meditation or yoga, whatever it is. You want to devote yourself to that, and you just want to have time for that. And maybe that may be the reason that you feel really irritated and bored by your day-to-day activities. You want time for all those activities. That is what I see here with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career, guys. So this is the oracle card for your career. This may answer the questions you have for your career situation, guys. To be fair, Leos, with this card, the energy for your career situation, guys, is that in life everything is a perfect balance. So we need to accept that we all benefit from it, and we reap what we sow. So whatever good actions that we do, we will get it back, and whatever bad we do, we get that also back, guys. So life offers us experiences, some of it are challenging and some are nourishing. So over time we will reach a balance in our life. So we will understand each and every situation, guys, and each and every situation that experiences have a particular place. We need to accept that without judgment. When we do that, we will find that balance in our life, guys. And in your work situation, this is the time for you to feel that balance. So whatever decisions you are taking, it should be balanced, it should be based on justice, it should be unbiased. So whatever decisions you take fairly, those will give you great success. And that is what this oracle's guidance, guys. So you have to be truly fair in the way you work in your situation. So you need to do things in the right way. Whatever you feel is the right choice, you need to go for it. That is the oracle's guidance. So what is the card for your relationship? Deep knowing. So with this card again, guys, the oracle's guidance for you all in your relationship is that you need to be guided by your intuition. So that is the oracle within your heart. So whatever a gut feeling you have, maybe sometimes you meet a person and even at the first meeting you will feel a great connection, great familiarity with them. By that you will understand that this person is there in your life, they are going to play a meaningful role in your life. So that person has entered in your life to do certain things, help you, push you in your life's journey. So when you connect with the person at such a deep level through your intuition, and what you feel about that person will turn out to be correct, guys, when you are guided by that intuition. So you need to trust your heart in your situation. So if you are meeting this person, a new person, or if you are already in this relationship with this person and you feel that love and attraction and a sense of belonging with this person, that great intuition with this person, you need to go for this relationship, guys. Trust your heart to lead you on this path. So that is the oracle's guidance for your Leos today. Let us see what is the angel card for you. Greet the dawn. So again we see here that you are heading towards a particular new direction in your life, guys. So even in your work situation, we were seeing the guidance related to the decisions. So you need to be that what choices you need to make. You should be extremely fair, non-judgmental, and even in your relationship, oracle's guidance is for you to trust your heart. So greet the dawn, we see here this card. So whatever new things that are coming out of these messages, whatever it is indicating, guys, pointing you towards in your work situation or in your relationship, you may be seeing great changes coming your way, guys, new beginnings, and you may be seeing a fresh start in your life, maybe with this person or with a new person. So you just have to do what is simply right for you today, what is best for you to do today, and accept whatever comes with that gratitude. So whatever gifts or challenges today you will be faced with, you need to accept that with gratitude. When you do that, you will be able to enjoy the beauty and love in your heart, guys. So whatever may come, so you can do it in a different way with this guidance we were talking about, to be fair and have that intuitive guidance in your life. So whatever challenges or situations you may be faced with, you need to take this guidance in your heart and greet it in a fresh way, face it in a fresh way. So when you do that, you will enjoy new opportunities and new beginnings in your life, Leos. So that is the angels guidance for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.